Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to mix two to three different colors of eyeshadow on your eyelid. Hi guys, my name is Niela. Welcome back to my channel. If you're yet to subscribe, I'd love you to click that huge red button, and while you're at it, turn on the bell so you don't miss a new post whenever I put up new videos on my channel. So guys, let's get into this video. So I'm going to be listing the tools I'm going to be using for this eyeshadow tutorial. This is going to be very in-depth. I'm not sure I've done any in-depth tutorial per se, but I'm going to try as much as possible to make this tutorial in-depth. It may be a talk through and you decide to make it a voiceover, or whichever way you'll be hearing my voice in this video. So guys, we're going to be needing eyeshadow brushes, and this one here is a flat eyeshadow brush, and this one here is a blending brush. It's pointed, not too pointed, but this is a normal blending brush that can fit into, any kind of eyelid or any kind of crease. Then you're going to be needing a big blending brush. This is optional. If you decide to use a fat blending eyeshadow brush, it's optional. Then you'll be needing a concealer or an eyeshadow primer. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a concealer, and it's the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. I'm going to be using this as an eyeshadow base, and I'm also going to be showing you the eyeshadow shade I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to basically be using the Royal Makeup Pro eyeshadow palette. So it contains different shades of it contains 35 different shades of eyeshadow, going from matte shades to shimmer shades to glitter. So they have the pressed glitters somewhere down here. There's some matte colors and some colors with shimmers. So guys, let's get into this video. The first thing I want to do for this kind of tutorial, since I'm not going to be doing any form of cut crease, I'm going to be using this as my eyeshadow. This is just to help my eyeshadow, or just for something for my eyeshadow to stick to and to avoid it creasing. People say concealer makes your eyeshadow crease, but there's a trick I usually use if you know you're going to be wearing your eyeshadow for a long time and you don't have an eyeshadow primer. Ensure that you use a mattifying primer to prime the area of your eyelid. I think that works. Or you go ahead and pat your setting powder onto your eyelid after applying your concealer. I'm using the concealer because a lot of people may not feel there's a need to buy eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadow primers are important, but in case for your own personal use, and I know there are a lot of people who do makeup for their own personal use watching my video, you can as well use your concealer used to highlight as an eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to pat this with my fingers. Let me just zoom this in so you can see. Okay guys, we are all zoomed in now. Going into my Royal Makeup Glam Face Collection Princess Series powder palette, and I'm just going to take this powder shade that is close to my shade and just apply it all around my crease. In this video, I'm not using a mattifying primer because I know a lot of people may not be able to afford primers that are very mattifying. I'm going to quickly do the side of camera and I'll be back. So guys, to make this tutorial very easy, I'm not going to do a lot of things. I'm going to be using this color right here as the first color I'm going to apply on my crease line. So the crease line is this deep line that sinks into your eyeball, so it's directly below your brow bone into your eye socket. So I'm just going to take that color from the Royal Makeup palette, and I'm just going to be patting this around this region like so. So I'm doing this halfway into my crease. You can see that it is sinking in halfway from my crease down to my outer crease. Just taking a little more color, and I'm concentrating this on the outer region of my crease, like that, my outer V. Still using the same brush. I'm not using a flat brush. I'm just patting this color. I'm not blending it in yet. I'm going to be going in with this big brush. If you have a tissue paper, you can as well just this into your tissue paper so you can reduce the excess. But I'm just going to be using a cleaner brush just to blend this, and drag it inward into my crease like so. The next color I want to be using is this soft color here, and this is just going to soften whatever color or whatever harshness I have on my eyelid. So I'm just going to be cleaning this around my, and I'm just going to be applying it slightly, over the color I used before. Just slightly, no pressure. So guys, I'm happy with the outcome. The next thing I want to do now is go in with my black eyeshadow brush, and the first color of eyeshadow I'm going to be using will be, so the first color I'm going to be using is this color right here, and it's going to be the first eyeshadow color I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to start with adding this color. If you want more intensity of your eyeshadow, you can wet your brush or apply another concealer over this, because we already have a powder. What I'm going to do now is to spray my brush with a little setting spray of rose water, or to make my brush damp, cleaning it with my wipes. Since I don't think I want to use a concealer, I don't want to go over and use a concealer, and I'm going to be spraying this. So I'm just gently patting the color in. You can see how intense it became. So I'm just going to stop here, since we are working with 3 different eyeshadow shades. Okay guys, so the next color I'm going to be using while I clean this away with my wipes, I'm working with just one brush, because I know not everybody can afford to have 2 to 3 to 5 eyeshadow brushes. But if you have just one brush, you can clean up and move over to the next color. The next color I want to use is this shade towards the last, and I can't remember the name of this eyeshadow. So the trick here is to gently place the eyeshadow color close to the first one you used, close to the first one you applied. So I'm just going to gently remember I cleaned my brush and it made it wet, so it's going to make the eyeshadow more intense. I'm just going to stop right here so that I can leave space, but give my time to pack this color so that the true color shows. You can see how pigmented and how stained, how it stays, and it leaving room for little or no fallout at all. So I'm just going to stop here as well. Then I'm going to go into the last color. I'm going to go into the last color, but I'm going to quickly reach out of the Royal makeup palette. I don't know, it's just it's just a makeup artist song. I'm just going to quickly reach out of it and go into my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to quickly tap on this gorgeous purple shade here. So I'm going to be flipping the back side of my brush. You can see how clean it is. You can see how clean the flip side of my brush is. So I'm just going to be flipping it to this other side, around here, like so. Okay, so I'm good with this part of my eyes. I'm just quickly going to do this off camera now. So for me to blend this color together, I'm going to be using the tip of my brush. I'm going to be using the tip of my brush to spread the color just very lightly. I'm going to be using the tip of my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be placing it directly on the demarcated line. So I'm just going to be sweeping it this way. You can sweep outwards, you can sweep inwards. But this is me trying to reduce harsh lines on the eye. So this is me trying to reduce the harsh lines. So I'm just taking it in lightly, just to take off your brush. No pressure. No pressure, guys. Don't, I don't know how to put it. Do it like you are romancing, the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go in here and drag it backwards from the demarcated line. That way you won't be able to see the harsh line anymore. You won't be able to tell where this one started from, where this one ends, and then it will just transition into one another. Okay, on my outer crease line, I'm going to be going with a Royal makeup palette, and I'm going to be using this color here. This is just to add depth to my outer crease. So I'm using a pointed blending brush for this. So I have to sweep brush. I'm taking it sideways. I'm taking it in to my crease. Into my crease halfway, just like when I was blending it. When I used my first transition color. Okay guys, so I'm going to dip my brush into the second color I used on my crease. I'm going to dip my brush into the second color I used on my crease, and I'm going to soften out all harsh lines around this region. And voila, we are done. We are done with blending the eyeshadow colors together. Hey guys, I hope you've learned one thing or two on how to blend 2 or 3 colors on your eyeshadow without it looking like you're wearing rainbow colors. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this look in another video entirely, and I'm going to show you what the finished look looks like at the end of this video. Hi guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, guys. Bye.